Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. The goddess of fortune, Lakshmi Ji, was requested to go before the Lord by all the demigods present, who, because of fear, could not do so. But even she had never seen such a wonderful and extraordinary form of the Lord, and thus she could not approach him.
साक्षात् श्री प्रेषिता देवी दृष्ट्वा तं महदद्भुतम् अदृष्ट्या श्रुतबुद्ध्या सा नोपि आयो संकिता. So Sri Lakshmi, she is always in company with Narayan, Bhagavan. Lakshmi, Narayan. Wherever Narayan there is Lakshmi. Oisajyasya samagrasya bijasya jasasya sriya. So, Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is always full in 6 opulence. Aisajya, riches, samagras, all riches. Nobody can compete with him. Here, in the material world, there is competition. You have got 1,000, I have got 2,000, another man has 3,000, or 3 million. Nobody can say, here is the end, I have got money. No, that is not possible. There must be competition. Sama urdha. Sama means equal, and urdha means greater. So nobody can become equal with Narayan, and nobody can be greater than Narayan. This has become a fashion nowadays, that Daridra Narayan. No, Daridra cannot be Narayan. Neither Narayan can be Daridra. Because Narayan is always accompanied by Sri, Lakshmi. How he can be Daridra? These are manufactured, foolish imagination. Aparat. Jastu Narayanam Devam Brahma Rudradis Daivatai Samattena Bhikketa Sa Pasandi Bhavidruvam. The Shastra says, Jastu Narayanam Devam. Narayan, the Supreme Lord, Brahma Rudradi Daivatai. What to speak of Daridra? Even if you equalize Narayan with such big demigods like Brahma or like Lord Shiva, if you look at Narayan is as good as Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Samattena Bhikkhe, Sa Pasandi Bhavidruvam. Immediately he is a Pasandi. Pasandi means most wretched. This is the Shastric injunction. Jastu Narayanam Devam Brahma Rudradi Daivatai Samattena. That this has become a fashion to equalize Narayan with everyone. So in this way, India's culture has been dismantled. Narayana cannot be equal. Narayan personally says in the Bhagavad Gita, Matta parataram nanya kinchijasti dhananja. The another word is asama urdha. Nobody can be equal with Narayan. Vishnu Tattva. No. Om Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pasyanti Suraya. This is Rig mantra. Vishnu Padam Paramam Padam. Bhagavan is addressed by Arjuna. Parabrahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhava. Paramam Bhava. So, this passion, imagination, will kill one's advancement in spiritual life. Mayabhag. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has strictly forbidden to associate with Mayavadi. Mayavadi bhashya sunile hoy sarvanash. Anyone who has associated with the Mayavadi, but his spiritual life is finished. Sarvanash. Mayavadi hoy Krishna aparadhi. You should be very, very careful to avoid these Mayavadi rascals. There cannot be such thing as Narayan has become Daridra. It is impossible. So, Narayan is always associated with Sakshat Sri. Sri, especially here, Sri Lakshmi ji is mentioned. She is associated with Narayan constantly. That Sri expansion is in the Vaikuntha Loka. Lakshmi sahasra sata samrama sevamanam. Chintamani prakara sadmasu kalpa vrikka lakha britesu suravi ravipalantam Lakshmi sahasra sata samrama sevamanam govindam adipurusam tamam vaja. Not only one Sri Lakshmi, but Lakshmi sahasra sata. And they are serving the Lord Sambrahma, Sevama. We are praying to Lakshmi ji with Sambrahma. Mother, give me a little money, give me a little favor, I may be happy. We are worshipping Sri. Still, she does not remain Sri. Sri's another name is Chanchala. The Chanchala, she is in this material world. Today I may be millionaire, tomorrow I may be beggar in the street. Because every opulence depends on money. The money here, nobody can have fixed up. That is not possible. That Sri, which is so flickering, they are worshipping the Lord with sambram, with respect. Here we are thinking Lakshmi may not go away. But there Sri is thinking Krishna may not go away. That is the difference. Here we are afraid that Lakshmi may go away at any moment. And they are afraid Krishna may go away. This is the difference. So such Krishna, such Narayan, how he can be Daridra? This is all imagination.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna